Hi there, Melody from WTI. And this backpack from Snoffic has some secrets. Let me tell them to you. I am totally in love with this Snoffic travel backpack, which can also be used for a carry-on backpack for most airlines. I just love the versatility of it. I love the color. I love the style. It's made out of a beautiful material. It's waterproof. It's so soft. I just love it. There's so much room in here. So whether you're using it on a trip or using it for going to school or your business, whatever, there's just so many pockets, 7 zippers, so many different little compartments. Now, I did say that there's a few secrets to this too, didn't I? Well, let's go through that. In one of the pockets, you'll find, a couple of complimentary toiletry bags. And these, again, are waterproof, clear, so you can use them for whatever your needs are. More zippers, a water bottle holder, and here's another secret. These are the padded shoulder straps for when you carry it as a backpack. They're adjustable. And I was also impressed with the fact that the back of the backpack is also padded to protect your electronics from bumps and bruises. And speaking of electronics, you can fit up to a 17-inch laptop in here. It's soft, it's beautiful, and the padded and breathable mesh back panel is designed to help with the air convection, ventilation, and heat elimination. This is for men or women, and with so many colors to choose from, you are going to be totally happy with this. So now you know the secrets. Go choose your favorite colored backpack, and then you go share those secrets with others. That's my point of view.